Right, welcome back. Following on from the last episode where we fitted the handlebars and basically put everything loosely back in, sorted out the headlights, which was quite a good one. This week, bike's been turned back round. Going to replace these dog bones. These are the replacements, so this should raise the tail by about 25mm, which doesn't sound a great deal, but it will make a difference to the bike. So let's get cracking. Welcome back. Right, before we crack on, just a quick look at the front at the moment. This is just mocked up because I'd like to continue using the original clocks, and from that angle actually doesn't protrude that far, but the only problem I've got, just loosely fitted them in at the moment, is the ignition's underneath, so I would have to move the ignition and then make a bracketing system. So I've just left it like that for now. Let's see what I think. But dog bones, I've managed to get the bike, get the ramp underneath. So basically the bit we're looking at today is just in here. I need to take that out, undo these two bolts, and then I can change these and put these new ones in. So there we go. That's what needs to come out. So it's basically this bolt, one on the other side, and this one as well, and then replace. Alright, first of all you need to undo these bolts from this side. You've got the nut heads on one side, bolt heads on this side. So you can see in there, one there, one there. So join me when I've got them undone. Right, managed to get one undone. Alright, just continue to knock that one through from the other side. There we go, that's that one done. Just need to get this bottom one now. Should actually be a bit easier now it's loose. Alright, so the old ones are out, new ones are on. Just need to grease up the bolts. and they're ready to slide back in. And just do the same on the other side. And I just need to tighten them up. Right, hope that was helpful. That was a rather mucky job. But that's basically how you change dog bones over. And thanks for watching. Join me again next time. Cheers. Bye.